Hi, this is the second part of cryptocurrency concepts video. Please watch the part one of this video series, else it may not make any sense. So let's start. And to discuss about blockchain, let me first discuss about what happens in real world. In a real world, let's say you have an account, $1 million in your account, and you have an account with this bank and you need to send $1,000 to this bank. So before this bank send, obviously it checks your balance and then it sends $1,000 to another bank, right? And but in real world is that this bank or any other bank in the world will not know that you have $1 million in your bank account, because this is hidden, and they can only see that you send $1,000 to this bank. Okay, but in cryptocurrency is different. The way it works is that, let's say the banks are replaced by computers. So there are lots of people around the world, they're running computers, and because they're running these computers, and there are some algorithm which make sure that all those data between these computers are same. So what happened is that, what I mean by this is that let's say there are several people, and this guy sent 1 Bitcoin to this guy, and this guy sent 2 Bitcoin to this guy, and this guy sent 5 Bitcoin to this guy. So this information actually written to some sort of ledger. This is called ledger. Let's say this, think it as an Excel sheet. So in the Excel sheet, it actually knows who has how much money. And this ledger is actually there is a computer algorithm. There are two algorithms. One is called proof of stake, and there are actually several algorithms, but mostly used proof of stake and proof of work. So Bitcoin use proof of work, and Ethereum also use proof of work. So this and the other cryptocurrency like Solana, they use proof of concept, proof of stake. So anyway, so these algorithms are there to make sure that nobody can tamper with the ledger. So everybody will have exactly same. Everyone in the world will have exactly same ledger. So it is a big file, big information block. So they will have this information block, and they cannot actually process any transaction. So there is a mathematical thing to make sure that nobody can tamper with the ledger. As a result, everybody will know how much money you have in your account. Okay, so as a result, it actually creates two issues. One, that people will now know how much Bitcoin or money you have, Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency you have in your account. And another one is safety, that people can take your, because everybody knows how much Bitcoin you have or cryptocurrency you have. They can access your fund, right? They can get it from there. But the way they make it secure is that to solve the identity issue, they actually, nobody, let's say if Bob has on $1 million, nobody actually know that Bob has, because Bob actually will create a wallet. It is a random hash number, and everybody will know that this random hash number has $1 million, but nobody will know that actually this one is belong to Bob, and Bob can only access. So we have another this, so this actually solves the identity issue. So now we have the safety issue. Safety issue is that is solved by the private key. So as Bob has the private key, he can only access to the wallet, and he can access his currency, whatever digital currency it is, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, he can access it. Okay, so and Michael, everybody can have their obviously different wallet address. Our wallet address are different. and the public private key is also different. So some if Michael somehow get access to Bob's private key anywhere in the world, let's say Bob is sitting here and Michael is sitting here. If Michael can get Bob's private key, he can access the data from here. Okay? Nobody can stop him. He can access the data and he can transfer the fund. So it is very critical in cryptocurrency world that you have to save your private key so that nobody can access this thing. But you can share your wallet address with anybody else. People can send money. So if Michael want to send Bob some money, Bob can tell this address, and Michael can send this money to this address. Okay. So now, when I say wallet, you may think that it is like this, and it has the money. Like physically, you think that okay, wallet has the money inside, but in cryptocurrency wallet, it's not like that. All it actually says that there is a reference that this in the big ledger, you can say that okay, this wallet address has this is the wallet address number, and this one has this money, and this is the wallet address number, this one has this money. So it's all actually a reference. So it is not like the real world there is a money inside the wallet. It is actually a reference to this wallet. And when you try to access the fund, you have to connect, so that the networks are like connected, right? So you need to connect to the main network. So this is called mainnet, and you need to connect to the mainnet to access your data. So because you cannot access the data offline, you have to be online and connect to the mainnet, and then mainnet will say okay, I know this is the wallet address and it has this amount of data. Okay, so in the real world, we actually, if we have the money to the wallet, we can give it to someone else, but it is not like that. So this is the difference. So you have to connect to the mainnet. So and also another concept is that like the wallet address can be different, depends on the blockchain. So the blockchain the Bitcoin has a different type of wallet address, which is not same as Ethereum. Ethereum has a different type of wallet address, which is not same as Solarium. So Solana. So it is actually different for everyone, but it is a different thing. But when you start working with the cryptocurrency, you'll understand this thing. But all you need to know at this time is that there is a wallet address and there is a private key, and you need to save the private key and do not share with anybody else. And the public anybody can access. So if you want to see it in action, if you go to blockchain.com, if you say Bitcoin, and if you say latest transaction, so everybody can see the transaction. So if I click this one, I don't know who is this one, and you can see the details like what is going on. And let's say if I go to Ethereum 10, if I click this this address, this hash, I can see that this from this account someone sent this 4 something Ethereum to this account, but I don't know actually who is this people, this guy or girl. Nobody knows. All we know that there is a public address, which is this, and they are sending money to this address. Okay, so these are the two these are some concepts we need to know. So hope it helps. Thank you.